Hello class. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson that we had yesterday. I can subtract within 1000 using place value blocks. Today we are going to continue subtracting within 1000 and continue to break a 10 to regroup. Today's lesson will look a little different because I'm going to show you 3 problems. There will be no guided practice problems, but you will have 8 independent practice problems to solve plus 1 exit ticket. If you need help with your problems, make sure you go back and watch the video. If you still need additional help after the video, make sure you get onto Zoom later on this afternoon to get the help. Let's get started. 684 minus 518. I need to start by making the number 684. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4 ones, 3, 4. Make sure when you do your independent practice today that you give yourself enough space to regroup. All right, let's go ahead and subtract our 8 ones. I can't subtract 8 ones because I only have 4 ones. So that means I need to regroup. So I need to go next door and grab 10 more. When I grab 10 more, I'm going to take this 10, I'm going to break it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can I subtract 8 ones? Yes. Let's subtract 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Now I need to subtract 1 10. And when I subtract 1 10, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. Notice that the green 10 that I crossed out, I only broke that apart. I didn't subtract it. And now I need to subtract 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm left with 100. So 684 minus 518 is equal to 166. Let's move on to the next problem. 361 minus 243. I'm going to start off by making the number 361. 100, 200s, 300s, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 1. And now I need to subtract 3 ones. Can I subtract 3 ones from 1 1? Absolutely not. So I need to what? Go next door and grab 10 more. So I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to move it over here. And it's now 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can I subtract 3 ones? Yes. 1, 2, 3. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now I need to subtract 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I subtract 4 tens, I'm left with 1 10. Again, the one that I broke apart and I regrouped, I crossed it out and it's in blue. I didn't subtract it. And now I need to subtract 2 hundreds. 100, 200. And I'm left with 100. So 361 minus 243 is equal to 118. Let's move on to our last problem. 567 minus 159. I'm going to start off by making the number 567, 100, 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to take away 9 ones. Can I take away 9 ones? Nope, can't take away 9 ones. So I need to go next door and grab 10 more. I'm going to take this 10, I'm going to break it apart into what? 10 ones, correct. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can I subtract 9 ones? Yes. So let's subtract 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now I need to take away 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I take away 5 tens, how many tens am I left with? None. I have 0 tens left over. Remember, the one in the blue, I did what? Broke it apart. I didn't subtract it. And lastly, I need to take away 100. And when I take away 100, I'm left with 4 hundreds. So 567 minus 159 is equal to 408. Okay, that's all the problems that I'm going to show you today. If you still need more help, remember to watch the video again and then get on Zoom later today and we'll walk through our problems together. Goodbye, see you later.